Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler, back again with a new quick video. This video I want to show you how you can earn money by selling your images. This could be images of you, of your daily life, of your vacations, of whatever images you could use as you could sell as stock photos. Yes, so in previous videos I show you how you can download stock photos so that you can use them on your landing page or whatever project you're using, or your articles, on your creatives, or on your daily content, yes, that you share with your audience. But in today's video I want to do the opposite. I want to tell you a way you can make money, yes, by being a creator. Yes, well, this pages refer as you as a contributor, because you are going to contribute your images to their platform, and obviously you will be recompensated by money, with money, sorry. So basically, well, before obviously I'm going to explain obviously all of this, but I like always to do a diagram. So you will have your images. These are your pictures of your vacations. I do this because many people do not see it with words, but maybe they see it or they understand it by more visually. So these are your pictures, yes, your images of your vacations, of your, I don't know, portraits of you, or some book you did with a photographer. And what you can do is these images you can go and sell them on these stock pages, photos, where you can download or you can pay for stock photos. Yes, one is Shutterstock and the other one is Adobe Stock. Yes, these are the two ones that we are going to get in depth. Yes, so this is pretty self-explanatory, and you can make a lot of money if you have a lot of images. And if you are a photographer, yes, whose life or whose daily job is to take photos, then obviously you may have known, or well, if you didn't know, you can sell your images to these stock photos platforms. Yes, so this is what I'm going to explain in this video, and then obviously how you can start making money with this method. Yes, before we get into the video, if you want more make money online ideas and more affiliate marketing content, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon so you get notified when I release a new video. And obviously remember to stay until the end so that you, after this video, know how to apply all of what I'm teaching, and then obviously you can do it yourself. Yes, so without further ado guys, let's get into the video. So guys, let's get into the video. Yes, the first page that we are going to use to sell our content or to sell our images, because well, Shutterstock doesn't also allows you to sell footage, entertainment, news, royalties, sport news, music, not only images. Yes, that's why here on the upper corner you see that they allow you to sell other type of content. But Shutterstock, as you can see, many enterprises buy from Shutterstock: BuzzFeed, AOL, Google, AMC, Marvel, Capital One. These are big enterprises, big companies, which obviously will need stock photos because they do pretty public stuff, pretty public post, and pretty much everything. They need images to captivate the client and to make it more eye-pleasing. Even you can be an affiliate here. I am checking that you can be an affiliate of Shutterstock if you want to sell, if you want to promote it. But this is a big business model, because or a big business opportunity, because if you think about it, everyone who makes content on the internet will need images, and if you provide those images and you get recompensated with money, then it means that there is a big piece of the pie where you can enter and make money if you make good images. Yes, so here the only downside of Shutterstock, let's look for something, a stock image of a wedding, for example, and the only downside is that all this, the two platforms that I'm going to show you, they allow you to download the images, but not for free. Like that's why you will make money as a creator, because they charge for every image you download as a consumer. Yes, if you need stock images for your content. Yes, so let's enter, for example, to this image, and I want to show you. Yes, you can create a free account, but then to download, well, let me log in. Okay, so I have an account, but as you can see, they allow you to download this image, but you can try it, but to download you'll have to pay for the image. Yes, $2.90 per image. That it's a downside that the images are not free, but oh, that's my cat. But the good thing is that they provide with good quality images. Yes, so if you are going to sell your images on Shutterstock, then you should make sure that your images are high quality. Yes, now let's get into the good stuff. How do you actually sell your content? Yes, you will have to go to here, the upper right corner, to sell content. And yes, you can see share your work and start earning. You will have to create an account, and you click on get started. Now let's look at the benefits of being a contributor. You obviously have to, as I mentioned, you have to produce high quality images for your customer. If that's why Shutterstock is more difficult to make money, because if you are not a good photographer, there's a low percentage that you would make money. But if you have a good camera and if you have good photos, then I would recommend you to try to become a contributor to Shutterstock. Then you submit, and then every time your content is downloaded by their worldwide customers. Now that's the easy part, because Shutterstock, I can guarantee you that Shutterstock has thousands and thousands of people every day coming in to buy these images. Now remove that scarcity mindset, because I'm going to show you how much traffic actually goes to Shutterstock every day. Yes, let me look for the tool that measures the amount of traffic a page gets. So here I am download the extension that I was talking about, SimilarWeb, and as you can see, every day, well, every month they are getting 75.83 million visits. Do you think that out of those 78 million visits, your content wouldn't be downloaded? Yes, you will have a lot of competition. I'm not saying that, but there's a high percentage that your content will be bought. Yes, so think about that and remove that scarcity mindset on this business model, because there's a lot of opportunity for everyone. Yes, now I don't want you to live only with Shutterstock, because there's another one, and that is Adobe Stock. Yes, to Adobe Stock, let me sign in. So here I am logged into Adobe Stock, and let's actually look at how many visits it's getting a month. And as you can see, it's getting even more than Shutterstock. It's getting 221.21 million visits a month. That's a lot, and even ranks better than Shutterstock. Yes, so that's why I said don't live only with Shutterstock. That's a good option, but I think a better option is Adobe Stock. Everyone is recommending for you to upload images on Shutterstock, but I think you should upload your images, even if you don't have them on high quality, to Adobe. Yes, to Adobe Stock, because they have good photos, but also they have very freelance photos which are not that good quality. Let's look for something related to I don't know, farmer. Yes, and as you can see, they have a lot of images, not only high quality but even cartoony images. You could share your images, even your photos, your arts, and as you can see, they have thousands of images, and obviously these aren't free, so you will be recompensated with your money. Yes, as you can see, you will have to buy the standard license. You can download the preview, but in order to download these images, people will have to buy. So this image, your images could be here, and people could be downloading them. Yes, so this was it for this video. Hope you find value in this video. Yes, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And this was all for this video. I will be seeing you till next one, guys.